Hey friends, happy Friday. How's it going? Y'all, I'm hopping on here with a few Friday finds. As you're hopping on, say hello and let me know where you're watching from. I got my scissors here in case. I tried to open everything, but, oh, what? I don't have the refab box open. How's everybody doing today? Y'all, I got some fun stuff. I got a fun new water bottle. Isn't that cute? It's like a, what is that, leopard print? Anyway, it's a fine mist sprayer. It's stinking cute. And last week I put or maybe it was 2 weeks ago, I put my nails on before a party. So I got some new nails to show y'all. My suitcase came in. I got some fun fabric. How's everybody doing? Let's start with this box that I haven't opened yet. And it's from Refab Boutique. Hey, Janice. Anyway, today is Friday Finds Day. Sometimes it's Friday Favorites. And listen, if I'm ever using anything that you want to know more about, be sure to let me know and I can add it to the Friday Favorites. Anyway, this is my July refab box. And I have a feeling, Jenny and I were looking for something this week. They went to the water park. Then I saw the girls open a box and I was like, oh my gosh. I should have already had this open. It's like Christmas. Y'all, I love subscription boxes. Hey Judy, it's an unpacking day. Anyway, y'all, I feel so bad now. Jenny and Lot went to a water park the other day, and she's like, do you have one of those waterproof cases? If I had opened this, I did have one. You put your cell phone in this, and it seals it up so it doesn't get wet. But this is in my refab box for July. And some super cute earrings. Aren't those perfect? I could wear them today. Hey, Kathy. And then Summer Living. I love it. Let me I need to get closer so y'all can see. Anyway, isn't this cute? It's a t-shirt. I love the t-shirts. And it's V-neck. And it's very soft. So it's a little wrinkled because it's been in the box. I should have already opened it. And y'all, have I ever told you? Let me turn this around so you can see me. Have I ever told y'all that I love bags? I love purses. I love totes. Well, look at this. It's a summer tote. Isn't this cute? Let me get it out of here so we can see. I got some other fun things for y'all to see too. Oh, I love this. It's like anyway, it's perfect. The t-shirt says Summer Living. No, Summer Lovin'. I can't read. It says Summer Lovin'. And this says Summer. It's big too. You could really use this as a weekend bag. Look at that. It's soft too. And then here's a scarf. Y'all, this pattern right here is very popular right now. We even have a transfer with this on it. Like a checkerboard. And with each of the boxes, you get an exclusive tee. And then it's always something Brooke picks out. Like the summer tote, the waterproof bag, the raffia earrings, and the multi-use scarf. I'm going to tie that on my bag. Let me get this out of the way. Anyway, y'all know I get the Chalk Couture Club membership each month. And look, that's 2 different colors. You could wear it like as a headscarf. I'm just gonna tie it onto my bag here. But anyway, and then I get this. I also get the Red Aspen. They have a subscription box too. This is so cute. Isn't that stinking cute? You could take it to the beach, the lake, whatever. Okay. Now I want to show y'all something that I got at Walmart. I got a couple of Walmart things, but y'all are going to love this. This is fabric. I got one that has a variety of Christmas colors and one that has a variety of fall colors. But y'all look at these. Let me get to the middle. Okay, this is how big the fabric is. So like you could wrap a pumpkin up in it. You could make a, tell me all the things that you can make. You might even be able to make a small quilt. You can use it, you can tear it and make rag. What am I trying to think? Rag ribbon, rag bows. But aren't these pretty? I thought they would be perfect for fall. But look at the colors. And then I got like a Christmas bundle too with Christmas colors. Because you could totally craft all kinds of things with these. Let me get to the middle. Okay, same thing. Oh, and Judy said a pillow cover. These are kind of different kinds of, they remind me of like old-fashioned fabric. Let me hold this up so you can see the colors. Aren't they pretty? But you could make, like, I've seen people do like rag Santas, rag trees. Like I said, it's big enough that you could take the fall stuff and wrap a pumpkin in it. When I saw these, I was like, oh my gosh, they're good. They're a good size, and you could do so many crafty things with them. I guess you could make like little heating pads, you know, things to get stuff out of your oven. I can't even talk. All right, now, okay, so we've seen the refab box. And look, I've got another bundle of fabric coming too, but I love these, and it's perfect to tear and make bows out of. And y'all know I've been doing red aspen for about 2 years, and it's been a while since I shared a box with y'all. But I got some fun, and some of these are new colors. Some of them are just like some of my favorites. But this one, I thought I could mix with a couple, like I could probably mix some with this and this. Yeah, somebody said use a stencil and put those in a hoop. Yes, y'all have seen me do that many times. And listen, you know, I know a lot of people they want just the, oh my gosh, what is this called? French tip. So me, I like colors. I like mixing them up. And this one, this is a new color right here. It is called You're So Golden. And I was like, that is perfect for fall. And look at that. I get the short ones. They're called dashes. Yeah, you glue them on. In fact, I got some new glue and some cuticle oil. But look at these fun colors. This is a good neutral too. Yeah, I glue these on. They last, well, I like to change them out. I would change them out every week, but I try to wait 2 weeks. They stay on about 2 weeks. And what I do is I put a little bit of cuticle oil on my fingers, and then I soak my fingers in warm water. And then I lift from the edge. Like I start on one side and lift on both sides, and they pop off easy. But I like to use the brush-on glue and the cuticle oil. But aren't these some pretty colors? And you know, I love these, like the color I have on and this, because it's like, to me, it matches Chalk Couture and teal. But then I like the neutral colors too. And that was so fun, I just had to have it. It's pinks and oranges, maybe a little red. And it is called, what is it called? Colorful Cheetah. But aren't they cute? And y'all, oh my gosh, I already put me some distilled water in here. And these, you know, they're pressurized. So you put your water in and then you twist it. And it's like, I don't know if you can see that. It's like a fine mist. Now, I use it to add water to my ink and my paste. But you could totally, like if you do hair or you, I don't know, whatever you would want to use, like a fine mist. But I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta have that. Okay, and here's something I've been waiting for. In fact, I'm going on a trip at the end of the month. Now, I always carry one or two bag, like one bag. If I'm not going far, I take a carry-on. But somebody said, I ordered just this one, and it's a carry-on. And somebody's like, well, why didn't you get the set? So I went back and ordered the set, but it's not here yet, but this carry-on is. But this, I have never had one of these hard side covers. But I love the wheels because it rolls in every direction. And it has a cup holder, like you could put, you know when you're sitting around or standing around at the airport, it has a cup holder, which I thought was so cute. Now, I haven't, there we go. I was about to say, I haven't used this, so I don't know. And then, I don't know what I can hang right there. And it is expandable. Let's see what else we got. Oh, if you got something you need to just hook on, like a purse or a bag or something. And here's all the, it's ultra lightweight. Now let's see what else it does. It does some other stuff too. I think there's a charger somewhere where you can charge your phone. Oh, right here. You can charge your phone or your, what is that? What is the little skinny one? I don't know. But anyway, I've seen influencers look, showing bags like this. And when I saw it was on sale, I was like, I'm gonna get that. Whoops. Let's see. Okay. All right. It's pretty inside. Oh, listen, if you want any of the links of the things I'm sharing today, just type the word finds, F-I-N-D-S. Whoops. Okay, so there's like a layer here, a layer here. I'm trying to see where that charger is. Maybe that opened somewhere else. So, I don't know. Anyway, it's expandable, but I ordered the whole set. But I figured y'all wanted to see this one. And I know a lot of times y'all are asking, where to get one of these kind of water bottles. So hopefully that's helpful. And look, this is off-white. I don't care. It'll be easy to see. Oh, here's the expansion. Okay. Right there. I'm trying to see what else. Swivels 360 degrees, which is awesome. If you ever travel, it's perfect. And it has a TSA lock, which I never lock them anyway. It's got like it's got a couple of little zippered areas. Okay, here's the charger. So you would put your, those like little charging, I don't know what they're called, little charging stations. You could put it in here and then you can charge your phone from the outside. I'm excited about that. Love the cup holder. I love the color. It looks like it'll hold a lot. I'm going to do my best not to expand it. Because look, when I'm traveling by myself, I don't like picking up a big, heavy suitcase. And look, it even has a tag to put your information in. before we get off here, I want y'all to help me pick my next set color of nails because I'm going to change these out. Probably tomorrow. And I don't know about y'all, but I don't have time to go sit in a nail salon. Plus, these are so much thinner. You know, those acrylic nails look so thick to me. And we'll see. I'll let y'all see this after it takes its first trip. But I love it. And, you know, we have just like black and navy suitcases. So, I think this will be easy to see when it comes off the line. All right, I'm excited. Look at this. We've got one suitcase that the wheels just go one way. We're about to retire that thing. I'm just looking at everything. I'm gonna be fancy pants. I'm gonna be fancy pants whenever I start charging my phone right there. All right, so we got the suitcase. We got these fabrics. One other thing I want to tell y'all about these fabrics that I love, like if you tear them, they're the same. They've got color on both sides. You know when fabric, sometimes it'll be like just white on one side. These all have, they're like colored through and through, if that makes sense. But you know when you're making ribbon or fabric ribbon projects, the colors are on both sides. I got to get busy crafting. And then we got this water bottle. Like I said, it's like a fine mist sprayer. Perfect. And then we got the Refab Boutique box with all the goodies. I'm ready for a trip. And, all right, y'all help me pick out my next nails. Let's see. I think I'm gonna get 3 for y'all to choose from. That'll make it easy. And look, if y'all pick these, I'm probably gonna put a couple of those on together because I think they coordinate. Homespun, thank you. Okay. So let's do these. So y'all pick a color. It can be cheetah. What is this one? We'll call these glow. And we'll call these are called Terry Lynn. So we will call these, Terry. So Terry, glow, and cheetah. All right, guys, that's all I've got. That's all the goodies I have for today. I hope y'all enjoyed this. I know y'all always say that you want to see me open boxes. And I'll go back and see what y'all are saying about these nails. I didn't pick these because I want to save these for my trip. Oh my goodness. But, and look, Refab is always having specials. So go over there and check out our specials. And then I know a lot of times the subscription box isn't open, but she'll open it at some point. And there we go. All right. And all the links are listed. All you got to do is type the word FINDS, F-I-N-D-S. And if y'all ever want to see anything else, just let me know. But thanks for watching. Have a great afternoon, and I'll see y'all later. Thanks for sprinkling. Bye, y'all.